G'day you all. In this video what we're going to do is we're going to place some of the extreme tyre shine armour all product usually used for the application on tyres onto the engine bay. Now I've done a previous video on this on a much older vehicle, and the results from that were that it brought up all the plastics and all of the hoses really well. But what I'm going to try and do in this video is actually use the gloss meter, because I'm going to apply the product anyway, just to give it a clean. I always clean the vehicle. I've got a quite regular method of maintaining and keeping this vehicle up to speed. So if we have a look at the gloss meter on the top of the plastic engine mount there, or the engine guard, it's reading 1.2, and I'll take different readings off different parts of the vehicle, then apply the tyre shine and see if we can get an improvement on that, and that'll show that the product actually does bring out a nice gloss. Alright, so meter reading of 1.8 there, and 3 just on top of the fuse box there. Alright, so just another quick pan around. This is obviously before the application. Righto, so there we go, just finished the first, well, the only coat that I'm going to apply to it. Pretty much used the whole can. So what I'll do now is I'll just give it a chance to dry a tad, then I'll come back. It's in the sun too, so should aid it in its drying, and I'll come back and we'll place the gloss meter back over those particular areas, and we'll get our readings. Right, so we've left it for a couple of hours, we've come back. I can see the definite, well, pretty much an extreme gloss, I would say, yeah. So let's go and check our readings. So we've got 27.5 on the engine cover there. Okay, so over here we've got 35.2. Then over on the fuse box over here on the side there we've got 25.3.
So it did a really good job placing an extreme gloss onto those particular parts within the engine bay. I would not use it again though. It is quite sticky, and as a substance to clean, I much prefer the foam. So what we'll do is I'll go now and I'll show you the difference between me using the foam on it and the extreme gloss. So let's have a look and let's actually see what this looks like after, say, 8 months or so.
G'day all. So it's been like 8 months now since we put the extreme tyre shine on it. You can see it does, it's quite sticky, and it allows a lot of the dirt to adhere to the surface. So would I use it again? Probably not. But I would use, let me just lift the bonnet up here. I would use the tyre shine though. That worked out really well. If you want to see that, please see my other videos on that subject. But just as an update, yeah, the motor hasn't caught fire. It's still running perfectly. It's all good to go.
Right, so let's now use the tyre foam, because that is my preferred option, and we'll just see how that comes up using the gloss meter as well.
Rightio, so it's well and truly in need of another engine bay clean. We'll once again use the tyre foam. We did experiment, as you saw previously, with the other type. So once again we'll get the gloss meter out just to do a quick check. Yeah, 4.1. Righto, so let's give it a treatment and see what it comes back with. Rightio, so there she's coated all up, and it didn't take long at all, probably 3 minutes at the most. It's starting to dry, and I just give that, probably look about half an hour, and then I come back and just wipe it off. Alright, so that's dried nice and quick. It's still a little bit wet, but pretty much got the idea there. So let's get in and give that a quick wipe and then check with the gloss meter. Righto, quick clean done. Let's see what the gloss meter reading is. 0 at the moment. Alright, so we've got him up to 14.5. So yeah. So there you go, that's my preferred method of cleaning the engine bay, wiping it down. Just the quick clean like that. Took probably 5 minutes. And 5 minutes to spray it on, so a quick clean. And no, my engine has never caught fire. Alright, hopefully that was useful for you. I definitely prefer the foam over any other type of tyre cleaner. So that's the one to use, the tyre foam. Alright, so it works, cleans it, and leaves a bit of a gloss on there. Doesn't take long at all. Hopefully that was helpful. Thanks for your time. See you on the next video. Bye bye now.